Hi guys, Jacob here with Westcott Designs. Just going to give you a quick video here on how to install one of our Rotopax mounts on our ladders. First off, we're going to go over to one of the crossbars here. We're just going to insert a 5/32 Allen key and we're going to unscrew these 4 bolts. Set these down to the side so nothing gets lost. We're going to hold the step here after we remove 2 of the bolts. Make sure nothing falls on our vehicle. Go ahead and remove the step from the ladder. We're going to take our Rotopax mount. We're going to make sure that all the channel nuts are facing the same direction, and we're going to go ahead and insert them into the slots. We're going to go ahead and slide it down towards the center of the step. We're going to snug these down just for now. And then we're going to go ahead and reinstall the step onto the ladder. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert the step, insert it into the side, get it started, grab another bolt, insert it, get it started, and we'll go ahead and insert the bolts from over here. At this point, we're going to go ahead and tighten everything down. We'll snug up the remaining 4 bolts that are underneath here. Your Rotopax handle gets installed here. And that wraps it up. Thanks, guys.